Hello. Welcome back, guys. Now, in the last lesson, we talked about HTML formatting, text formatting, and then we did all this work. And this is the recap what we did in the last video. Now, in this lesson, we are going to talk about HTML quotation. Now, let's get rid of all this first so we can have a clear view. Let's get rid of this. And now, I've already done with the text so we can get done with this video faster. So this is HTML quotation. Let's get with it. Now HTML, when it comes to, it's just like I told you earlier on the start of this lesson, on the introduction, I told you HTML is in a Word document, Microsoft Word document. They are similar in some of the things and how they operate. So we have this here abbreviation. It's just to, like, when you abbreviate text, like let me show you so you understand. Let's say we have this let's say abbreviate, okay, then HTML, and then let's see title, and then we know that the meaning for it is hypertext markup language, right? Now let's save, Control S. Now if you come here, you reload, you will see. And then now if you hover around this, you will see it gives the meaning, it prints out the meaning. Now when you hover around the text, it will print out the meaning. It's that, oh, this is, so HTML mean hypertext markup language. So that's what it does. It just helps to define the meaning of an abbreviation, And then for address, it's just to list the address of the text author or the owner of the page, So let's say I will just say 206 is corporate drive Louis, I'm not sure if I spelled it right. Louisville, Dallas, Texas, US, right? You can either put here the phone number too. Let's say if the phone number is 1-469-66-902. You can just put this, and if you save, just save in here. As you can see the way it appears here. But if you notice, you'll see it all appear on a straight line. Now if you don't want that, we already did a tutorial about that. You can just put the BR, the break, put the BR, because right now, though we put it on a line, but the browser sees it just as a switch, just as a single line. So we save. If you come back to the browser and you refresh, you can see. Now let's put a space in between these two. Let's say if we put a BR tag here, we'll save. Yes, I don't think that works. Still that BR. Excuse me. Okay, now you see it works now. And oh, this one we're supposed to put this in a paragraph. Let's see, paragraph. Let's close it. Okay. So okay, now in a paragraph. Okay. Oh, the reason why it's showing this quote, I have to end this thing here. This one doesn't have a closing. That's why it's showing this thing here. See, they're all on a quote. We don't want that. Let me just, excuse me, close, and the site also. Let me just close it. Sites, these two, just close it again. Then a closing time. Okay, so let's continue. We refresh. You see now, different now. We'll see. So this is what this address does, you know. So now let's talk about this means bi-directional objects. Bi-directional object. What it does, it just transform the orientation, the direction of the text. You know what? Let me just do an example here so you understand what it does. Let's put it in a paragraph. This is a directional let's bi-directional override. That's what it means. This video. This is a bi-directional override. Let's say we put this on a BDO. Let me say this is I love everyone in the world, right? And we say now direction. We say right to left. So if we come here, we see it. So this is what it does. It will just transform everything. Since we said right to left, you see it tries to spell love, but it spell everything backwards. You see LOVE. You see everything, it's backwards. So this is what this one does, you know. And the block quotes. Let's say we have the paragraph and another block quotes. Now I have here, I've already got a block quote here. This one is from Steve Jobs. Let's man. And put it here. Let's see. This is a block QOTE. Block quotes. And then we can cite here the website where we got it from here. We'll put it up here. The reason why when you say block quotes, it's the search engine, they have they index this one differently from normal text. So when as long as it says this, it knows how to index it. They index them differently from normal text. So if you see, this is to sites, to the website, not for you not to plagiarize. So if you come here, you save, you see. So it's put it in a block quotes. Then this is it. And then so that's how that one works. And if let's just go with this quote for now, then we'll come with this to this one later. Now let's put a BR here, and so you can see. So if you let's put the paragraph. Then we say Q, which is just, this Q is just used for those very short quotes. This is for block quotes, quotes that are longer, much longer. That's why we use this block quote. And for shorter quotes, we just use the Q, that it just puts a quotation mark around the quotes. Now let's just say this. This is a short inline quotes, right? And then life is too short. Leave your to the fullest, right? And then if you save this, Control S, or you can just come here and then you save it, right? And we come back here. As you can see, it just put it, life is too short, it's put it in a quotation mark, right? But this one, the difference between this and this one, it's the browser it indented. You see, it indents, even though we did not do this formatting, but the browser, since it's aware that this is a block quote, it indented one way. So this is why we see it. And this one doesn't have any indents. But this one have indent, but it doesn't have the quotation. That's the difference. For a short quote, you just put these quotes in between. Now let's do the last one, the cite. I'll just take an img, an image, HTML, JPG. I don't know if that's the file name, and then I will just say paragraph, and then I'll just cite graduation by HTML shape, right? Now let me come here. I don't know if, okay, yeah, this is the image, it's JPG, yeah, that's the extension, but you have to know the extension JPG. I can just save. Let's refresh. Okay, if we go down, we can see it here. Oh, let's just space here, space here, and just do it like that. And we come here, and just where you see, if I italicize this, this is just to give credit to the author, or the to cite something. That's what it does, as you can see. So that's all. That'll be all for this video. I hope you understood everything. If you have any doubts, leave a comment below, and I will gladly respond to your questions. Please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new content on this channel. Thank you so much for staying with me, and I hope to see you in the next lecture. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.